Lakewood, it is warm out. You know what that means? Street maintenance has begun. Today we're going to be talking with Adrian, who oversees street maintenance projects for the whole city, and we're going to find out what it takes to get everything done. Let's go check it out. Hi Adrian, thanks for being here with me today. So you're kind of more behind the scenes with all of the streets of Lakewood. What actually do you do?
As the street maintenance construction inspector, I oversee the seven maintenance programs that the street maintenance has. Throughout those 7 maintenance programs, we have a street resurfacing, which we're seeing right now. We have seal coat, asphalt rejuvenation, PCI, as well as concrete repair. And throughout all of that, we do estimating, we schedule all of the projects throughout the year, then we oversee each project, making sure that the safety of the residents as well as the safety of the crews are intact throughout the project, and make sure that the project is following all of City of Lakewood's specifications and standards. We're doing preventative maintenance. So what that means is we try to get on these roadways before they get too many distresses and we have to do a full reconstruction of the roadways. While it may be inconveniencing them for the day or a couple weeks that we're out here, full reconstruction of a roadway will take months to years. And by us doing preventative maintenance, it is creating that timeline of being inconvenienced to a lot shorter of a time period.
It seems like there's so much that goes on with Lakewood streets behind the scenes. Tell me, how do these streets get selected for resurfacing?
So the streets are selected through a process that we call a pavement condition index. What that means is we have a software system. They go through every street in the city of Lakewood and they grade it on the kind of distresses that are on the roadways. So those distresses go from potholes to cracking to rutting, oxidation, and all those other variables. And we choose the streets that have the most distresses as the ones that get overlaid.
That sounds like a ton of work, and there are so many streets in Lakewood. How do you actually get it all done?
Well, it's a process through planning and coordinating with a lot of different parties, departments, and contractors. And we try to think on what will disrupt the businesses and residents the least. And so if that means we have to work overnight in areas that have a lot of traffic for the safety of our residents and our crews, that's what we will do. If not, we're just trying to get the work done as quickly and safely as possible.
What type of other streets do you do? Why not like Wadsworth, Colfax, stuff like that?
We would love to go out to Wadsworth and Colfax to get that work done. They are maintained by CDOT and by the state, so they do all the maintenance on those roadways, and we stick to the streets that are within our parameters of the city of Lakewood. So areas that you'd see most frequently is like the Belmar area that we are in now, Alameda Parkway, Jewel Avenue. Those are the ones that we really focus on and get the most traffic throughout the year.
So what is the best part about your job?
The best part of my job is being able to see a product that we're able to do on a daily basis that gives a roadway that is nice and smooth for the residents of Lakewood, and that they're able to see that their tax dollars are going to work on a daily basis.
This sounds like so much fun. What can we go inspect right now?
Well, let's go give it a look right now. So this is what a street looks like after the street resurfacing is done. And usually we open it up about 2 to 3 hours after we get it completed.
It is so beautiful. I wish this was my street. Thank you so much, Adrian, for showing me around. This has been a wonderful day. And thank you so much to your team and everybody involved in this. You truly are one of our unsung heroes. So much fun today. Talking to Adrian was so informational. If you want to check out a list of all of our street projects, visit our website, and we'll see you next time.